Hey y'all, it's Diamond with Gemstone Global Solutions, and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be talking about the earned income tax credit. To qualify for the earned income tax credit, you must be a U.S. citizen or a resident alien. Also, you must have a valid social security number. You also must make income. You must earn income in 2024 to qualify for the earned income tax credit. And also, you cannot file a form 2555 foreign earned income. And then also you can't earn investment income over $11,600. So if you made over $11,600 in investment income, you do not qualify for the earned income tax credit. Sorry. But those are the basic qualifications to qualify for the earned income tax credit. Now let's get into how much can you make, like what's the most you can make to qualify for the earned income tax credit. Okay, so if you have no dependents, you're single filing head of household, a widow, or married filing separately, you can make up to $18,591. So if you're over $18,591, sorry, you will not qualify for the earned income tax credit. Now, let's say you're filing married filing jointly and you have no dependents. You can make up to $25,511 to qualify for the earned income tax credit, which for no dependents, for whether you're filing married filing jointly, head of household, single, pretty much any of those filings, if you qualify for the earned income tax credit and you have no dependents, you receive up to $632. I'm sorry. So you receive up to $632 if you have no dependents and you're filing a single head of household, married filing separate, widow, or married filing jointly. Okay, so let's say you have one dependent and you're filing single head of household, widow, or married filing separately. You can make up to $49,084. That's the maximum you can make to qualify. Now, if you're filing married jointly, you must make up to $56,004. So if you make over $56,004, you don't qualify for the earned income. I'm sorry. And then, so if you have one dependent and you actually qualify for the earned income tax credit, you can earn up to $4,213, regardless of if you're filing married filing jointly or single. That's just the maximum of what you can earn for the earned income tax credit. Okay, so let's say you have two dependents, you're filing single head of household, widow, or married filing separate. You can make up to $55,768. If you're over the $55,768, then you will not qualify for the earned income tax credit. I'm sorry. If you're filing married jointly, so y'all filing together, you can make up to $62,688 together. So with both incomes combined, that's as much as you can make together to qualify for the earned income tax credit. Now, if you have two dependents and you qualify for the earned income tax credit, you receive up to $6,960. Okay, now let's say you have three dependents, you're filing single, head of household, widow, or married filing separately. You can make up to $59,899. Now, if you're over $59,899, I'm sorry, but you do not qualify for the earned income tax credit. But you might qualify for other tax credits, but just not the earned income tax credit. So if you're filing, let's say you have three dependents and you're filing married jointly, you can make up to $66,819 together with combined income. So that's you guys' income together. So if you guys income is over if you guys income total all together is over $66,819, then I apologize, but you don't qualify for the earned income tax credit, but you possibly qualify for other tax credits. So if you do qualify for the earned income tax credit for three dependents, you could receive up to $7,000. I'm sorry. So if you have three dependents and you qualify for the earned income tax credit, you can make up to $7,830. Yeah, so also, so if you have no dependents, and you're not claimed as a qualifying child on anyone else's tax return, and you make below $18,591, single, head of household, married, filing separately, or widow, as long as you're over the age of 25 and under 65, you qualify for the earned income tax credit. So you can be 25 up to 65 to qualify for the earned income tax credit, as long as you do not make over $18,591. And that's one person's income. That's only your income. Now, if you're filing jointly, you're married, you could qualify as long as you don't make over $25,511 and you don't have any dependents. You'll receive up to $632. But yeah, so the rules are, you cannot be claimed as a qualifying child on anyone else's tax return. So you must be between 25 and 65 to qualify for the earned income tax credit, if you have no dependents. Now, if you have dependents and you're under 25, you qualify as long as you have dependents. But if you don't have any dependents to qualify for the earned income tax credit, you must make below a certain amount of money, which is the amount I just named, $18,591 if you're single, head of household, married, filing separate, or widow. Now, if you're married, filing jointly, you can't make over $25,511 with no dependents. But yeah, so the basic qualifying rules is you must be a U.S. citizen or resident alien. You must earn income, and if you did earn investment income, it cannot be over $11,600. Also, you must have a valid social security number, and you cannot file a form 2555 foreign earned income. Oh, that's funny the way I said fun. But yeah, so those are the qualifications for the earned income tax credit. If you're not working with a tax professional, I am excited to be your tax professional. Reach out to me. You can call me 346-691-1528, or you can go to my calendar, which is in the link below, and you can schedule an appointment, and we can start, getting your information so we can start filing your tax returns. Also, if you're looking to get the cash advance up to $7,000, starting January 2nd, you can also join the wait list, and I'll reach out to you, get your information, we'll input it into the system, see what you'll get back and everything, and then we can proceed from there. But yeah, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this video was helpful for you guys that's wanting to know, what you'll possibly get back. But yeah, we're getting close into Christmas time. Tax season's right around the corner from that. I know a lot of you guys been buying presents for all your loved ones and, the people you love. And a lot of us are really going to need the cash advance, which I understand because I'm going to need it myself. But yeah, the cash advance will be starting on January 2nd. So join the wait list. So you won't have any, you'll have all the information you need before January 2nd, so there won't be any delays with you getting your money on the same day, which you'll get the cash advance within an hour. Also, anyone that followed us, you guys are in a free vacation. But yeah, I'm just so excited. Tax season's around the corner. We have Christmas going on, silent night, holy night. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Me and my baby boy, we're in our pajamas chilling. I just, thought I should spread a little information so you guys can start preparing for the tax year.